Oppo A11K smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core, 2.3 GHz, Cortex-A53 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. It has 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Oppo A11K smartphone has a IPS LCD display. It measures 155.9mm x 75.5mm x 8.3mm and weighs 165 grams. The screen has a resolution of 720 x 1520 pixels and 270 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 19:9 and screen-to-body ratio of 81.63%. On camera front, the buyers get the 8MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 13MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4230 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, and more.